Yo, what's up guys, I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Baseball 9. This will basically give you unlimited gems, coins and energy in the game, which you can use to purchase anything, and don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there, such as unlock all items, unlimited gems, coins and energy, unlimited upgrades, free shopping and much more. The first thing you need to do is grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using Android today. Once on your device, make sure you already have Baseball 9 installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, the next step is simply open your favorite browser and follow my instruction. In the search bar, type Baseball 9 and press install. After the installation is complete, the mod will be installed on your Android or iOS device. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.